Hi preschool friends, it's Miss Chenault and I am here to show you how to make a sundial. Some of you might ask, what is a sundial? And a sundial is the oldest instrument for telling time. Way back when, we didn't have fancy clocks run with batteries or with electricity to tell the time. So people relied on the sun to tell the time, and they used sundials. So the way a sundial works is a sundial has markings for each part of the day. And as the sun moves across the sky, another part of the sundial, this is called the no man, which casts a shadow and it tells what time it is. It shows what position the sun is in and therefore what time it is. So we're gonna make one. And the first thing we're gonna get is some sort of poster board, something flat. I'm gonna have to do this again. I used a Piero's pizza box because we had pizza last night. Cardboard works great, poster board works great. I'm gonna put a big glob of glue down right in the middle because you want this to stand still. I used a paper towel holder and I'm gonna put that right in the middle, stick it down like this. And this is gonna take a long time to dry. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna let it sit for like a whole day. Another thing you can use, but you have to have your mother or father, is a hot glue gun. That works good, but you have to have an adult to help you with this. But you can use regular glue if you would like. You just need to let it dry for a very long time. Another thing we can make, another way we can make it, and we're going to use this in a different way, is a paper plate. And I used a Chick-fil-A straw right here, and I marked my sundial like a clock with markings, with the numbers telling what time it is. And I'm going to show you how that will work at the end of this lesson. But get your sundial ready and then stay tuned for how we're going to use our sundial and see how the sun moves. All right, hi boys and girls. I am out in my yard now and I have found a sunny spot for my sundial. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm actually in my driveway, is I'm gonna put a piece of tape, just so in case the wind comes, it doesn't blow it around, because we want our sundial to stay in the same spot. So I'm gonna put some tape on the corners, just like this, just so the wind doesn't pick it up. And remember, in the last video, we glued the paper towel holder to the poster board. And let me put one more piece here because it is a little bit windy today. And this is a spot, I think, in my driveway that should get a lot of sun all day long. So it is the morning. It is about, not as early as I wanted to put it out here, but it's about 9 o'clock. And the sun, as we know, is gonna move from the east to the west all day long. So right now, the sun is up here. So what I'm gonna do is, do you see this shadow right here? That's because the sun is over there and this paper towel holder is making a shadow on my poster board. So what I'm gonna do is take my ruler right in the middle of where the shadow is, and I'm going to draw a line. Perfect. And I'm also gonna write the time down. All right, so now you see my line. Let me see if you can see this. See, I did a line right in the middle of the shadow with the time, and I'm gonna leave this out here and we're gonna check back about every hour or so and see what's happening. See you soon. Hi boys and girls, I am back at our sundial, and as you can see, the shadow has moved. It's been about an hour and a half. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ruler, and I can't hold the phone at the same time. All right, so as you can see, I took the ruler and marked a line and marked the time. So we'll come back in about another hour. All right, hi boys and girls, we are back here with the sundial. I had to stop and start over because the wind launched my sundial across the yard. So we're back again, and I matched it up at 9 a.m. so it was in the same spot. So we're back here at 11:30. The last time we were here is 10:30, and as you can see, our shadow has moved. So I'm gonna go to the very middle of our shadow, and I'm gonna do a line out, and I'm going to mark 11:30. So as the sun is moving from the east to the west, it's changing the shadow on our sundial. So stay tuned and we'll be back later. Also, what I did was put down these pieces of wood because my sundial blew away yesterday. So this is holding it down.
I continued to mark shadows throughout the day. Early in the morning, the sun was rising in the east on the left side of this picture, and it kept moving to the west to the right side of the picture. You can see how the shadow moved as the sun changed. 3 o'clock was the last time I recorded, as the sun went behind the clouds and therefore couldn't do it after that. Here is a picture of my yard, and the sun started in the east on the left side of the picture behind the trees and went all the way to the other side of my house and started to go down in the west. Now place your sundial outside and see if it tells accurate time. Have fun making your sundial and send pictures to amyc@prumc.org.